Hey guys, welcome. In today's video, I'm going to solve today's LeetCode problem that is a hard problem for the LeetCode and it is kth smallest number in multiplication table. So in this question, we are given a matrix m cross n and we have to find the kth smallest number in the matrix. So its element is I cross j means rows cross column and it is indexed from 1 means usually we start a row that is from 0 and less than number of rows, but here we have to start from 1. That's why our element will be, the first element will be 1 multiplied by 1, then 1 multiplied by 2 and so on, and we have to find the kth smallest number in this matrix. So in this problem I will use binary search and I will basically use a binary search and one extra function to check which is a bool function. So let me start the coding and I will make every step clear with the code. So let's get started. Here I make a integer low whose value is 1 because our matrix low value will always be 1 multiplied by 1, that is 1, and high will be m cross n, that is in this example as you can see 3 cross 3, that is 9. And as I'm using binary search, so I will use a loop, and in this loop it will run till our low is less than high, and a mid value, that is low plus high upon 2. Okay, and I will make a function, but first let me do this. If let our function will be kth smallest and I pass a mid k, and if it is true then high equals to mid, else I will make this clear in just a second. Low equals to mid plus 1. Okay, so now I'm going to make a bool function that is kth smallest and I pass the 4 values, that is bool kth, and here m and num, that is our mid, and int k. Okay, and uh, int, that is c equals to 0. I will make these all things clear. Just let me first write the code. Here I will iterate it from 1 to the number of row, that is m, and here c value I will add minimum of num upon I and n. So yeah, the formula which I am talking about is this, and in this bool function I basically did what is, we have passed the mid value in this function and we basically check that how many numbers in the matrix is less than the mid value. Okay, so here as you can see in this example our mid value is 5, that is 1 plus 10 upon 2, 5 in first step, and we have to find that how many elements in this matrix is less than the mid, that is 5, and after that we can easily apply the binary search method. So if this formula gives us what is, if here I equals to 1, then num upon 1 and 3. That is 5 upon 1 and 3. The minimum of this is 3. So C plus equals to 3. Means C plus 3, that is 0 plus 3, 3. It gives what is that how many number in this row, that is first row, is the mid value, that is 5. So here our value are 1, 2, 3. Three of these are less than our mid value, so C will be 3 here. And in the next step, in the next row, that is 2, how many numbers are less than our mid value? That is 2, that is 2 comma 4. So here what is this value? 5 upon 2 and 3. So the minimum between these two is 2, that is 5 upon 2. So C will be added here too, and then in the last row, that is third row, the value here is 5 upon 3 and 3. So the minimum of these two will be 1, that is 5 upon 3, whose value, integer value, is 1. So here how many numbers are less than the mid value? That is 6. Here in the first row, that is 3, and in second row, that is 2, 2 comma 4, and in the third row it is 3. So our C will be 6, that is 3 plus 2 plus 1. And we have to return here is if our C is greater than equals to K. What does it mean? If the number of elements present in the row is present in the matrix is greater than mid. It means if C is greater than mid, then our kth smallest will be less than the mid value. Okay, as you can see here, our C will be 6, means the fifth smallest element will be surely less than the 6, that is our mid value. Okay, so if here in the first step it returns true. Why? Because C is greater than equals to K, and if this returns true, then our high will be mid. Why? Because if the our that is if it gives true, means we have to check between our low, that is 1, and high, that is mid. Then our answer will be surely between low, that is 1, and high, that is mid. And if it returns false, means C is less than K, then we have to check the right side of mid, and where low will be mid plus 1 and high will be what it is initially, that is m cross n. And this step will go on till our low will be less than high. So here I have to return low, because the kth smallest number will be low. As you proceed this loop, and then the last means at the end the low will be the our required answer. So let me run the code first. So yeah, as you can see, it accepted. Let me first submit it. So yeah, as you can see, it is 95.06% faster than. So yeah, this is very nice way to solve this problem. Basically what I use here, a binary search method, and one tricky thing is this, that is C plus. I basically used it here to find that how many numbers are less than the mid value, so that we can easily check or at the left side of mid or at the right side of mid. So yeah, these two things, the key things in this problem is the binary search method and this formula what I use. I hope you all understand this method, and if you like this video, please give a like, and please subscribe to my channel, and if you have any doubt, then do comment below. Thank you for watching.